religion and anti-colonialism. French wanted to have control over Vietnam as politically as well as on individual lives too. With the help of military, French attempted to reshape social and cultural life. Vietnam's religious beliefs were based on Buddhism, Confucianism, and local practices. French missionaries did not like Vietnamese honoring supernatural and hence decided to turn Vietnamese into Christianity. They changed religions of large number of Vietnamese, which helped them to strengthen their colonial control. But on the other hand, it is interesting to know that these religion changing activities raised another ways to colonial resistance. Nhu Hanh and Ha Tinh regions. Scholars Revolt 1868. From the start of 17th century, Catholic missionaries were trying to change the religion of local peoples and convert them into Christianity. And till the mid of 18th century, they were successful in converting 300,000 people. From 18th century, religious movements in Vietnam were spreading awareness against Western culture and peoples. Scholars Revolt was one of such early movement. It was led by officials of imperial court. With this movement in the general uprising by Vietnamese in Nhu Hanh and Ha Tinh regions, Vietnamese killed thousands of Catholics. Later, this movement was crushed by French, but it inspired other patriots to rise against French. Religious beliefs in Vietnam. The superior group of Vietnamese were getting education in Chinese and Confucianism, so they believed in Buddhism and Confucianism. The beliefs of farmers in Vietnam was based on combination of Buddhism and local beliefs. Beside these, there was a group of peoples who believe on some peoples who spread that they have seen vision of God. Some religious movements supported French, while others were against French. Ho Hao, 1939. Hien Phu So, known for performing miracles, helped the poor to oppose sale of child brides, gambling, and use of alcohol. This is how he gained popularity in local peoples. In 1939, he raised Ho Hao movement to oppose the French. This movement gained popularity in Mekong Delta area. French tried to suppress this movement. They called Hien Phu So a mad bones. They sent him to mental asylum. More interestingly, the doctor who had to prove him insane became his follower. Finally, in 1941, French doctors declared him as sane. Then he was sent to Laos and many of his followers were put in concentration camps.